Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I am featuring a bundle called Nothing's Better Than Bundle. It has the photopolymer stamp set called Nothing's Better Than, and then the dies that are called Love You More Than dies. And the reason why I am playing around with this set is because during my winter break, I managed to get some work done that I have been putting off, and I was able to attack the online card class that I promised my customers. It has 6 card designs because I had so much fun playing with this bundle. And I just wanted to make mention here that if you are interested at all, you can click the link below and you're going to get sent to my online classes page. I have a ton of classes planned for this new catalog. If you've already gotten the Nothing's Better Than bundle and you want to swap it out for something else that is equal to the cost of the bundle, please, I love substitutions. I have no problem with that. And if you were to purchase this class right now, it would entitle you to 1 celebration item. If you're interested in the online class, Canadians, please hit the link below. It's right in the description bar, okay? Okay, getting back to this card today, I have 2 of the sentiments here and I'm lining them up on my little grid mat here, and I have the die right in the center. So I'm just measuring and I put it on, this is a H block. All right, so now I have a piece of cherry cobbler cardstock and I've stuck the adhesive sheet to it. I run it through my die cutting machine and I'm using platform 1, 2, and 3s. All right, I'm using Early Espresso for my ink today, and I am doing a slimline card. So the piece of cardstock that I'm working on right now is 7.5 inches long and 2.5 inches tall. The In Good Taste Designer Series paper, that's the wood paper there, that would be 8.25 inches long and 2.5 inches tall. And the actual card base is 8.5 inches by 7 inches, and it's scored at 3.5. All right, so you see what I did there. I was able to have the entire coffee die cut adhered right to, like it's stuck in the die. So I was able to put that coffee word right down on my page and then lift up the die, which was really fortunate for me. And all the bits came out. So that's awesome too. Like, I don't think I'll ever have luck like that again. I'm using my cherry cobbler ink, blends markers, and I'm coloring the coffee mug. Now, just saying that there is in the stamp set, there is stamps that will color this whole thing for you, so you don't have to bring out your blends markers at all. I happen to like coloring, so I did, but you know, in the class I also show you how to utilize the stamps properly. Okay, anyway, so the inside of the card says, and I'm pretty sure tomorrow will be too, and then I've put a couple of coffee cups on the inside there as well. And I love, this is probably my favorite stamp out of the whole stamp set, is this tiny little star. So here I go, I'm adhering my In Good Taste Designer Series wood paper to my slimline card, and I'm also putting dimensionals on the back of my card front here. And I ended up coating the coffee and the coffee cap with Wink of Stella. And you know me, Wink of Stella it is on everything. All right, so that is my share for today. I appreciate you, and I hope that you're having a lovely midweek. I will catch you again on the next video. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.